Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Can I just tell you, it is not very often that I get excited about an outdoor tool, right? And honestly, in my house, that's usually like my husband's domain. I'm kind of like, sure, whatever's in the garage, I don't know. However, this is the coolest tool from Sunjoe. It's an electric 3-in-1. It's your leaf blower, okay, awesome. But it's also a mulcher and a vacuum in one. And then what will be your saving grace, and why I love this so much, it's your gutter kit. Because you can clean out the gutters without ever having to get on a stepladder. Under $70 is our price today. Normally this is $100. It's a $97 garden tool, but it's really 3-in-1. And for a lot of us, this is actually a tool we use all year long. Because even if you get a little dusting of snow, sometimes what you use to just clear off the path is the leaf blower. So it's a tool that you're using all the time from a brand that we know and love. It's Sunjoe, now at a clearance price of $69.99. So with all of your attachments here, this is what's gonna help you have that gutter tool. We just have it kind of all pulled apart so you can see all the pieces that you're going to get with your adapters as well. But Scott Hind is gonna blow us away. Huh? You see that?
That's nice, I like it, yeah.
You're welcome.
There's another pun I want to make with the word blow in it, but I can't do it here on QVC because
Fair.
After watching Roxanne De Palma in Rancho Mirage and Jack Yeiser in San Diego, I need to rethink some things. It is freezing out here. So, but I will tell you this. It is still, there's leaves. I mean, there's leaves down.
Right?
We live up in the woods. This is my own home. And there's leaves in the cleanup. And we're getting about 2 inches of snow tomorrow here in the Philadelphia area. Perfect amount of snow that can be blown and removed with a blower. Here's the problem. When you go to remove leaves, this is the old-fashioned way to do it. It's not fun, it hurts, and it just takes forever. Even if you have your Sunjoe bag to put the leaves in, it's just not fun. And then you see over here, the gas tank. All right, well, gas blowers are fine. Don't get me wrong, I own one. But you always need to know the mixture of gas and oil, a lot of fumes, a lot of noise. So you know what? We've got for you today, the Sunjoe blower, which has an incredible amount of power. 150 mile per hour wind. So that's like our hurricane. I mean, think about that. This doesn't just move a pile of leaves. This moves a mountain of leaves. So you start blowing, and you can knock this job out in absolutely, and these are wet leaves here, you can knock this job out in absolutely no time flat. But it's also a vacuum, and it's also a gutter cleaner as well. It really is your all-in-one tool for doing the jobs that you just don't really feel like doing.
Well, I think that's the key part, Scott, because once you blow them into a pile, then what? You got to pick them up. This is your vacuum and mulcher. It's all under $70.
Exactly
okay, so you just did the leaf blower. What about just cleaning up inside of the garage using the vacuum?
Yeah, you see it right there. It's great because it's super, super powerful vacuum. So you're talking about picking up things like, you know, it could be needles, leaves, all those kind of things. How about your pine needles that are still left over from your Christmas tree?
Right.
All those different things that you need to clean up, this is the way to do it. And it's really, really cool because that vacuum grinds everything down to 1/16 of the size. So think about that. That's a lot of storage power. You get a 13-gallon bag on that. So that really cleans up, you know, a lot of stuff, holds a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And you're in good shape. So it's good to go.
All
so
right.
You're seeing real time what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. I'm attaching the gutter attachment, okay? Just screws right on, no problem. So you got 2 stages here. You have the low and the high. When you get up to high, remember, you're getting up to 150 miles per hour of wind. That's a lot of wind. And you see right here, I'm firmly on the ground. You can see there's leaves coming out, getting out from that holly bush right there. And there's not a lot of leaves up there, but look what I can do from right here, firmly on the ground. The alternative to this, Allie, would be getting on this ladder. I have pavers right here. This ladder is at best rickety. It's not the best way to get up and clean leaves. I don't feel safe on it, but I'll tell you what, when I'm firmly on the ground, I can reach up to 13 feet and clean off anything I need to clean off right here.
Yeah, well, and here's the thing. It's super important. We found this out at our house because when we bought it, the gutters hadn't been cleaned for a while. The problem is, and you can hear it when it's raining because it's not draining properly down the gutters, it's sending water in places that it's not supposed to go. It could be then draining near your windows, areas that are going to be more susceptible to a large stream of water. So cleaning your gutters is really important, and having the right tools that you don't have to get up on the ladder to do it. So not only do you get the gutter kit, it's a mulcher and a vacuum. Do you know what you could do with all that extra mulch and things that you just vacuumed up? You use it to fertilize your garden. How awesome is that? And it's a leaf blower, which Scott, tomorrow mid-afternoon here on the East Coast, as a little good luck wish to our birds, we're expected to get a little snow. Do you know what a lot of people use? They often
100%.
use, if you just get like a little dusting, you could use this to blow the snow off the driveway, off of the
100%.
path. You don't have to pull out a
100%.
shovel.
You're exactly right, because especially with the snow tomorrow, we're still in February. It's early February here on the East Coast. That means you're getting that real light, fluffy snow because it's cold. March, you get the heavy, wet stuff. That's a little bit tougher. But 2 inches of that powder tomorrow, you can clear your whole driveway in no time flat with this. I do like that it's corded, okay? There's always the debate. Do you want corded or cordless? I will tell you, you get more consistent power when you have a cord. It's always more powerful to have corded, okay? I do understand that you're limited by the length of the cord. However, you've got a consistent power, and it gives you a lot more to work with. You don't have to worry about run time, okay? There's unlimited run time.
Or did I charge the battery?
There you go.
Worries,
and also, the gas blowers, again, I own a gas blower, so I don't want to misrepresent this situation, but I will tell you, it is loud, the fumes are awful, it is heavy, and I always have to worry about the gas oil mixture in it. So it's not super convenient to use. This right here, I plug this in, and these leaves just go flying. I mean, I clean all this up in absolutely no time flat. And also what I can do, if I move this bag here a little bit, I can show you, I can go in here and get the detail work, get all the leaves in here, get around my little wooden carved bears here. It's not blowing the plants out of the ground, but I'm getting rid of all the leaves. So now all this little detail work, that gets done as well. If I'm worried about delicate flowers, I put it down on the low setting. That's a little bit less of force of wind. So again, you're getting 150 miles per hour of wind. That's like literally hurricane force winds. So this doesn't just move a pile of leaves, Allie, this moves a mountain of leaves.
Yeah.
Look how quickly I'm going through here. I'll clean this all up before we have about a minute left. I'll clean this all up before we get off the air. I can blow them into a pile, put them in the bag, or I can suck them right up with the vacuum and make a compost, a mulch, whatever I need to do.
Okay, this is a really powerful tool. It should be nearly $100 because it's not just a leaf blower, it's also your vacuum and mulcher in one. I think it's worth its weight in gold just for that alone to do your spring garden bed cleanups. And then you're getting the gutter kit all in one for $69.99. It's 3 tools in one. That's the love and joy of why we love Sun Joe. Scott, you really did. You lived up to the expectation. You blew us away.
I love it. Thanks so much. Good seeing you. Go Birds.
Thanks, Scott. You know, we should be, to our producer,